Hey everybody, Jason here. Just wanted to drop a quick video on a product that I just started using that I've heard many other people have used it for sound deadener, and it's a product called Kilmat, and I am going on record and saying I am officially endorsing this product. It is really good. I'm gonna walk you around a 66 chassis build that I'm working on, and I literally just got done laying down the Kilmat product on the finished chassis, and man, I'm telling you, I'm in love with it. I previously had used another Home Depot product that was like a roofing material, and I liked it, and it's good, but it was a little bit more difficult to work with than the Kilmat, and I'm pretty excited to show you this. So if you've never used this product before, I will 100% recommend it. It's a really good product, so take a peek. So this is a 66 chassis build. Got it up on the sawhorses right now. It's a little bit dark out, sorry, but I just finished laying the sound deadener, and this Kilmat product is really easy to work with. It is I guess it's a tar-based product, but super easy to use. So I ordered this on Amazon, 50 square feet. Make sure you order that one. They have many different pack sizes, and the 50 square feet in some of the pack sizes is actually cheaper than some of the other smaller pack sizes, but it comes 50 square feet. I did an entire chassis, and I still have well over half a box. I have almost 2/3 of the box left. So it comes in these sheets. They've got a backing paper on them, and what I love about it is that it's lined, so it's really easy to cut. Just took a box knife and just started laying out around the edges, and just tried to use as much of the product as I could. I ended up with a little bit of leftover, but I've got a sheet actually that I'm going to save. I'll show you. There we go. So you can see it just peels off, and it's just a sticky tar-based product, and it's real easy to lay down. Just lay it down, and you can kind of pick it up and move it around to exactly where you need it. And then I just used my box knife, and really sharp box knife, but I used the box knife and went around and just started trimming edges and try to make it look as clean as possible. But I mean, this is really super quiet now. So apparently the dogs don't think it's that quiet. So I'm going on record to say, if you are looking for a good sound deadener at a good price, this Kilmat is really good. Somebody can tag them for me or whatever, but you know, I'm gonna go on record and say this is good. It's real good stuff. So hope you guys check it out. It was roughly, I'd say the 50 square feet was like $47, I think. It might have been a little bit more than that, but it wasn't much more than $50 shipped to my house. Literally got it in 2 days with Amazon. And that took me, I would say, about an hour and a half to tackle that project. So check it out. So I've also previously used this aluminum waterproof repair tape that is available at Home Depot. It is pretty much the same thing, just in a roll, 25 feet worth. And like I said before, this works great. I've used it before. I've used it on the shell of a bug. I've used it on floor pans as well, doing chassis builds as well. And it works fine. It has a little bit of an odor, so it's not necessarily odor free, but the odor does go away after a little bit. So you can try that. This is, I think, like $20 for the roll, but it's kind of a pain to use. I'm not gonna lie. It's a little bit harder to use than what this Kilmat was. So it's a good alternative if you want to go the cheaper route. But I definitely highly recommend this Kilmat. This is hands down. I will use this from here on out. I've heard of other products like Dynamat. Dynamat's relatively expensive, but I've heard that's really good as well. But this Kilmat product is cost effective and really, really good. So like and subscribe. Hopefully have some more videos coming your way soon as we continue on with this build, 66 chassis build. I don't even have a body for this yet, but we're going all out on this one. Disc brakes in the front, got a lime bug 6-inch narrowed beam on the front, so I'm pretty excited to get that built up, and everything on here will be brand spanking new when we're done. So and my daughter thinks she's getting this for her 61, but yeah, we'll see. So hope you guys enjoyed, and take care.